Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mrs. Petra and my friend. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Yusril Wisnu Baktiar. I am from the F class, and my NIM number is 140142123. In here, I will explain about my analysis in the book and the movie that I read. Analysis book and movie. And first time I will analysis book. The book that I read is the title of Thanglet. In the book, I will analysis the simple present tense, the past continuous tense, the past perfect tense, the future tense, and at last the simple past tense. First, I will explain the simple present tense. Simple present tense is a tense that is used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. The simple present tense is the tense that is most often used in everyday life. In simple present tense, the formula is subject, verb s or verb es, and the object. And the book in that I read, I found the two sentences that use of simple present tense. One, in the town, Rapunzel was drawn to a painting of the king, the queen, and their baby, who was known as the lost princess. And the two sentence is, then the couple gazed into each other's as they were falling in love. I will explain the sentence is simple present tense because the sentence by looking at one the characteristic of a simple present tense sentence, namely the use of is, and also the preparation of the formula, namely is subject, verb s or es, and plus object. And another reason I will explain the sentence is simple present tense is simple present tense by looking at one of the conjunction is, and also then absenteeism states the subject because the subject is just one, that is Rapunzel. In the second, I will explain the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, refers to a confessing action or set that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is a format by combining the past tense of to be, was, or were with the verb present participle ing. And the book in that I read, I found the two sentence with use the past continuous tense. In one verb is, what her devout parent didn't know was that Rapunzel's golden hair contained magical healing power. And the two, so she kidnapped the baby and raised her in a tower deep in the woods, never telling her that she was a princess. I will explain the sentence is past continuous tense because the sentence used to be, was, and verb ing, and this is a past event that happened in the past but still continues following years. Next, Next is the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past, we have talked before, or began in the past and continues to the present time. This tense is formed be, have, or has, plus the past participle. And the book in that I read, I found the two sentences that used the past perfect tense. In first sentence is, long ago, a king and queen had a baby daughter, namely Rapunzel. And two, meanwhile, a young thief named Flynn Rider had stolen something special from the king's castle, and the royal guards were after him. I will explain the sentence is past perfect tense, cause sentence above are the present perfect tense. Past perfect tense is because in the sentence there is a had and has formula according to the perfect tense formula, and there is also a third actor who is not singular. Next is present future tense. The present future tense is used to refer to action or states that began and end in the future. This event have not happened yet, but will happen sometime in the future. The formula is the future tense is used to be is or are plus going to. The sentence of future tense is in that my book in that I read. I found the one sentence. Sentence is, later Flynn and Rapunzel were separated. Mother Gothel told Rapunzel that Flynn had only one two crown. I will explain the sentence is the future tense, cause there characteristic that the sentence will occur in the future by being marked with the word will and shall. Next, the last of simple past tense. Simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or excited before now. Imagine someone asks what your brother Wolfgang did while he was in town last weekend. The formula is past tense is verb to plus subject plus was or were and plus object. In the book in that I read, I will find the two sentences that use the simple past tense. And first is, without the magic, Mother Gothel quickly get and turned to dust. Rapunzel was now free, but Flynn was dying. And two, Mother Gothel was lying Rapunzel now that she was the lost princess. I will explain the text is the simple past tense, cause the text explains about past event which until now there are still records as research conducted by the scientists. Okay, after I analysis the book that I read, after that I will analysis my movie that I watch. After analysis book, we will the next task. Let's do it. Analysis movie. The movie that I analysis the title of Alter. The movie I will analysis the simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, simple future tense, and present perfect tense. First, I will explain the simple present tense. Simple present tense is a tense that is used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. The simple present tense is the tense that is most often used in everyday life. In the movie, I found the three sentence that used the simple present tense. In first is go ahead buddy, hold the stupid over, press those hand. Number two is those house where the bread life I left this spiritual mark. In the third sentence is why do I feel like the instruction manual comes with a long list of warning. I will explain the sentence is a simple present tense because the sentence is looking at the one of characteristic of simple present tense, namely the use of is, and also preparation of the formula, namely subject, verb 1, verb ses plus object. Next, after the analysis simple present tense, I will analysis the simple past tense. The simple past tense is a verb that is used to talk about things that happened or excited before now. Imagine someone asks what your brother Wolfgang did well. He was in town last weekend. The formula is subject plus verb 2 plus was or were and object. In the movie, I found the two sentences that use the simple past tense. The first sentence is those houses where the bread life I left this spiritual mark. And two, I was just remembering what I said to you after that funeral. I will explain the sentence is a past tense because the explain the past event which until now there are still records such a research conducted by the scientists. After the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense, also called process progressive, is a verb tense which that used to show that ongoing action is happening now. The formula is present continuous tense is a verb is are plus present participle or verb English. The sentence is in the text. I found three sentences that use the present continuous tense. The first sentence is whatever that happened to the bread, you'll even forget about hiring me. The two is you need to put that thing back in the book. I'm not putting my son in a book. And at last is taking you outside so you can see what you really have in your hands. I will explain the sentence is a present continuous tense because there is sentence that state the action is in process marked by the verb ing and There is the word still. Next is the simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to refer to action or set the begin and end in the future. I found the four sentence that used the simple future tense. One is ignore this rule and you will start losing. 2. Really losing it, you will believe a lie. 3. I will need a set of clothes he wore at least once. And at last, I will also need a lock, head, and valuable possession of his. I can explain the sentence is a simple future tense because there are characteristics that the sentence will occur in the future by being marked with the word will and shall. And the last, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense to an action or state the either occurred at an indefinite time in the past. We have talked before or began in the past or continued to the present time. The formula is used to will or been. The sentence of movie that use the present perfect tense is 1. That deep down we all have the strength to get through whatever that throws us. And 2 is, of course, if any of this happens, it's not responsibility because you have been wanted. I can explain the sentence is a present perfect tense because in the sentence there is a have or has formula according to the perfect tense formula, and there is also a third actor who is the singular. Close. After analysis the book and movies, I can conclude that each sentence has a word arrangement which consists of nouns, adjective, verb, pronouns, a verb, proposition, conjunction, and interjection. This all I can say. If there are shortcomings, I'm sorry, right? Thank you for watching.